In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access lock screen. When you're ready, hit screen lock type at the top and tap on the best login method for you. PIN, password or pattern. Then you get to create it. Select continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then tap on confirm. Now you can manage all of those lock screen notifications by operating those settings or switch them off completely thanks to this switcher at the top. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So when I turn off my screen and switch it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!